Hey guys, this is Rich from RDVFL, and today I wanted to do a little unboxing of our CP1 PCM 3.1 interface. This is a wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, front camera input and rear camera input interface for Porsches with the PCM 3.1 radio. That covers 2010 to 2016 Porsche Panamera. It covers the 2011 to 2016 Porsche Cayenne. It covers the 2012 and a half to 2016 Porsche 911s. It also covers the 2013 to 2016 Cayman and Boxster, also known as the 718 platform. And this integrates flawlessly with the factory PCM 3.1, allows you to use the factory touchscreen or the factory right knob. And this is what you should expect when you get the kit. This is our box with our packaging on it. This is a QR code to all of our social media channels, which I definitely invite you guys to go visit and check out all of our other videos as well. And this is also a little message about RDV and what we do, and a little bit of history about our company. You know, we're in the industry since 1997. And we are a family business. I run this company with my two daughters, and they're a big part of what we do here. So we are a family-oriented business and a family-based business right here in Florida, USA. And this is a QR code that you could scan to our wiring diagram for this kit. This will also show you exactly how to install this kit into the radio. There's multiple videos there of the installation process step by step. But this is what you get when you get the kit. This is the circuit board that goes inside the radio that comes in this anti-static bag with the install manual QR code on it, with serial number, part number as well. Really nice product. This allows the full integration of wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, plus both front and rear camera inputs into Porsche PCM 3.1 vehicles. And the installation is very straightforward because there's no external module, and it's only the board that goes in the radio. It comes with everything you need. Plug and play T-harness for the back of the radio, the harness that plugs into the board with the RCA inputs for your camera, hardware for installation, additional harnesses for installation, ribbon cables for installation, and also a user manual that's included with all of the features of the factory buttons and how they interface with the product. So check us out at rdvfl.com.